The yellow metal surged to an all-time high on Tuesday, September 24th. The rise in the prices of gold was driven by several positive triggers. These triggers were hopes of a further US Fed interest rate cut, China's economic stimulus measures, and Middle East geopolitical tensions, which eventually lifted the demand optimism. Spot gold rose 0.2% to $2,633.25 per ounce after hitting a record of $2,639.95 earlier in the day. US gold futures gained 0.2% to $2,657.9. On the multi-commodity exchange, gold future last hit a record high of 74,900 per 10 grams, while spot silver rose 0.7% to $30.87. So what is driving the cost of the yellow metal so high? Well, bullion scaled multiple record highs after the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates last week by a larger than usual 50 basis points. Bankers and finance industry analysts expect many more cuts over the next year. The possibility of another 50 basis points rate cut at the next Fed meeting and China's measures are lifting gold prices. Prolonged conflicts in the Middle East are adding to safe haven demand. Israel's military said that it struck dozens of Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon overnight, a day after launching a wave of airstrikes. Commerce Bank raised the gold price forecast for the end of 2025 to $2,600 from current $2,550. China's central bank unveiled its biggest stimulus since the pandemic to pull the economy out of its deflationary funk. The news is mixed for Chinese bullion demand, as lower rates should support demand but could also support alternative assets like Chinese equities and the real estate market. Therefore, the bottom line is uncertainty. Even after the rate cuts by the Fed, the uncertainty about a global recession is triggered by increasing wars, upcoming US elections. And in times of uncertainty, gold and gold ETFs are in high demand. Even central bankers across the world have been stocking gold, the original currency of the world, over the last 2 years. So, will you invest in gold right now or not? Please let us know in the comment section and stay tuned to LiveMint for more such updates.